Ready to see fresh content on your Explore page instead of the same old suggestions? In this video, I will guide you on how to reset the Instagram Explore page. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. It will now take you to settings. Scroll down a bit. You will find the option of content preferences. Tap on that. Now select interested. If there is any post that you don't want to see over here, then you simply want to remove that. Next thing you want to do is tap on specific words and phrases. If you do not want to see some specific words or phrases, simply enter it here. Then tap on the done option. Now, if you do not want to see sensitive content, select this option. Now select less from here, then head back. Now you want to get back to the settings page. Here you want to tap on your activity, then select recent searches, tap on the clear all option, tap on clear all again. You also want to tap on the link history option. Now tap on clear all here as well. And that's it. A clean slate for your Explore page will be available. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.